Hello everyone, welcome to TechAxis Private Limited, a complete IT learning academy. Are you a part of the IT world and find joy in finding bugs instead of constant coding? Do you enjoy challenging the developers or coders? Do you want to kick off your IT journey real quick? Do you want to make an IT career where you have to test the software over developing it? Are you smart at automating things? Are you confident in understanding and visualizing common users prospect? Are you willing to start your IT career as a quality assurance engineer or QA engineer? If the answer is yes, then you have come to the right place. Hi, I am Sanjay Subedi, one of the co-founders of TechAxis. With over 15 years of experience in the software industry, I have been a developer, engineer, trainer, mentor, coach, architect, and engineering leader. In today's session, I am excited to provide you all a detailed overview on quality assurance and its unlimited potential and opportunities. What is quality assurance or QA? Quality assurance or QA is a process of ensuring that software products are developed to meet the defined quality standard and requirement. It is a process-oriented approach that aims to prevent defects, bugs, and errors in the software. This is done by verifying and validating the software at every stage of the development lifecycle. The QA process involves various activities such as planning, designing, executing, and reporting the test. This is done to ensure that the software meets the specified quality criteria. QA focuses on testing the software for functionality, performance, security, usability, compatibility, and reliability. QA is an essential part of software development because it helps to identify defects and errors in the software early in the development lifecycle. This can save time and cost in the long run, as it is much expensive to fix defects later in the development process. QA also helps to ensure that the software is user-friendly, reliable, and meets the requirement of the end user. If you are involved in software development process, it is important to have a QA process in place. This will ensure that software you develop is of high quality and meet the need of your users. What is manual testing? When we talk about manual testing, we are referring to the testers who use their hands to run the test cases and find problems in the software. This hands-on approach is really important because it helps us understand how the software behaves in the real world and how users experience it. During the manual testing, testers perform as real users and catch issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, to make manual testing work well, we need good planning and clear instructions for the test. We execute the test carefully, just like following a recipe step by step. And if we find any problem, we write them down in detail. This is all about quality and precision. By simulating real user scenarios, manual testing ensures that the software does what it is supposed to do and meets all the requirements of end users. What is QA automation or automated testing? QA automation involves using clever software, tools, and scripts to make testing and validating software way easier. It is like having a technical helper that can mimic how users interact with the software. A big goal of QA automation is to make testing faster and better by getting rid of those repetitive tasks, like running the same test over and over again and again. It can also handle stuff such as regression testing, functional testing, integration testing, performance testing, and more. The other cool part of QA automation is it reduces the chances of human mistakes. It helps to improve the accuracy and consistency. It also lets us test more often and more thoroughly so we can catch problems early on. Overall, QA automation is like the secret sauce that makes modern software development smoother and more awesome. It boosts the quality of the software, reduces cost, and speeds up the whole process. What is mobile testing? Mobile testing involves making sure that apps or software meant for mobile devices work just right. This means checking if they are user-friendly, work well, and play nice with the different devices like smartphones and tablets. Here we are talking about Android, iOS, Windows, and all those platforms. Mobile testing is not just one thing, it is a bunch of things. We are talking about making sure that the app does what it is supposed to do, which we call functional testing. Likewise, we have to make sure that it is easy to use, which we call usability testing. Also, we have to check how well it handles lots of users at once, which is performance testing. Mobile testing can be done by people using real devices or by software tools that do the testing for you. Those tools are great because they speed up things and keep things consistent. What will you learn from mobile testing? When you dive into the mobile testing, you will learn all about testing mobile apps to make sure they meet the high standard we want. You will also cover how to release and deploy the mobile apps. These days, mobile testing is a big deal. It needs special skills and knowledge, and that is where mobile testing and training comes in. With these skills, you could become a mobile tester or a QA engineer, making sure mobile apps are reliable, secure, and awesome for users. What skills are needed for QA training? The basic knowledge of programming is certainly a plus for enrolling in a QA training, but don't worry if you are a beginner in this domain or if you are quite basic at it. We will cover them step by step. However, you should have a good problem solving and strong analytical skills to become a successful QA engineer. What will you learn in QA training? In this QA training course, you will learn the fundamental of software testing and quality assurance as well as advanced tools and techniques. In fundamental of software testing, you will understand the different types of software testing, the testing processes, and the different roles involved in software testing. In the test planning and design section, you will learn how to plan and design tests to ensure that all aspects of software are tested. In test automation, you will use the various tools like Selenium, JMeter, and more to automate the testing processes. Additionally, you will learn quality assurance processes, software development methodologies, testing techniques, testing tools and technologies, and so on. Overall, QA training is designed to provide participants with the skills and knowledge they need to effectively test and validate software products to ensure their quality and reliability. Participants will be trained as per the current industry practice of QA. What are the career opportunities as a QA engineer? If you are a quality assurance engineer, you have many career paths in software development field. Some common job titles for QA engineers are quality assurance specialist, quality engineers, software development engineer in test, performance engineer, and more. In general, there are lots of job opportunities for QA engineer in software development. These jobs have different roles and responsibilities that match various skills and interests. As software becomes even more important in our life, the need of skilled QA professional is expected to keep growing day by day. What is the salary range of QA engineer? On an average, QA engineers in Nepal can expect to earn between 30k to 180k Nepalese rupees per month. This information is provided by JobAxel, a major employment portal in Nepal for IT and engineering professionals. If you are just starting out, your monthly income could be around 30,000 Nepalese rupees. As you gain more experience, this figure can increase up to 180,000 Nepalese rupees per month. Some top companies might offer even higher. QA engineers are employed by almost all IT firms in Nepal. Additionally, you have opportunity to work remotely for multinational corporations worldwide. In such cases, your earning could be 2 to 3 times higher than what you are normally getting here. QA is currently one of the most demanding jobs in the world. Is QA training focused on theory or practical skills? At TechAxis, we truly believe in learning by doing method. That is why our training is all about getting your hands busy. During the training, you will actually work on real-time application, experiment everything from scratch to advanced level. You will find the bugs, do the functional and performance level testing, and many more for the real-time software. These hands-on exercises prepare you for real-world tasks, giving you much deeper understanding of quality assurance. Is it possible to do QA training online? Yes, it is possible. TechAxis offers the flexibility of learning from anywhere. The training is set up in a hybrid manner, which allows students to either attend in person or join virtually. The virtual option is a live class, so it is important to have a good internet connection and necessary resources. For those who cannot join live classes, they can access the recorded videos at their convenience to learn. How long is the QA training course? Our QA courses typically last 2 to 3 months. Depending on the student's level of skill, the length of our course varies slightly. We guarantee that every student learns at their highest potential and is prepared to start working as soon as the course is over. Finally, I want to say that till the IT industry remains, till the software industry remains, the quality of the software will always be the matter of concern. It will be one of the top priorities. Thus, we can easily imagine the countless opportunity after gaining the skill in quality assurance. I want to welcome you to the TechAxis. complete IT Learning Academy and explore more on it for your better future and successful career. Let us support you in the journey to mastering quality assurance. Thank you for watching me. Good luck. See you in the next video.